Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Stocks app on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to use Stocks app on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open your app store and then search for stocks from here. So guys, simply search for stocks, and then you have to simply download and install the stocks app on your device first. So guys, simply download this app, and after this go back, and now you have to simply open stocks apps on your device, and here you will see all the stocks from here. So guys, you can see this, you can easily see all of stocks from here. And if you swipe up this business news, you can read different news of stocks apps from here as well. So guys, here you can see, you can get all the news related to stocks on this stocks app as well. So guys, and this is the way. And you can also, if you go back and if you go to your stocks again, and if you tap on three dots button, here you can see your new watch list. You can edit watch list from here. You can see your watch list shows, and you can also sort watch list by your settings. So guys, here you can see this. You can set it as manual, you can set it as price change, you can also set this to percentage change and market cap and symbol and the names. So guys, here you can see this, you can see all the stocks from here. So guys, you can click anyone from here to view it very easily. So guys, here you can read the stories, and you can also read them completely. So guys, in this way you can also use stocks apps on your device in iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.